You try to explain what you're feeling, but the words don't come out right. You open up, but people just don't get it. They say, it's not a big deal, or just get over it. But it is a big deal to you, and sometimes that hurts more than the struggle itself. Feeling completely misunderstood. It's like you're screaming inside a soundproof room, and no one can hear you. No one sees the battles you fight alone. But there is one who understands you without a single word, and he already answered your heart. Allah says, وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ وَنَعْلَمُ مَا تُوَسْوِسُ بِهِ نَفْسُهُ وَنَحْنُ أَقْرَبُ إِلَيْهِ مِنْ حَبْلِ الْوَرِيدِ. We created man, and we know what his soul whispers to him, and we are closer to him than his jugular vein. This is not just closeness in distance, it's closeness in understanding. Before you explain, before you cry, before you even know what you're feeling, Allah already knows. When your thoughts spiral, when no one gets your anxiety, when people say you're too sensitive or overthinking again, Allah sees the exact knot in your heart. The feeling even you can't describe. He understands your silence, your du'as that sound like nothing but tears. Your confusion, your frustration, your yearning, all of it is perfectly clear to Him. You are never unknown to Allah. Even the greatest of people were misunderstood. Nuh alayhi salam preached for 950 years and people still mocked him. Musa alayhi salam had a speech problem and feared facing Pharaoh, so he asked for support. And even the Prophet Muhammad was called insane, a poet, a liar by the very people who once trusted him. But each time Allah stood with them, and each time their validation came from the one above. So if the world doesn't get you, it doesn't mean you're wrong. It just means you're walking a path that not everyone is meant to understand. Maybe you're the one in your friend group who thinks deeply, who feels things more intensely, who needs more time, more space, more meaning in life. And maybe people just don't get that. But Allah does. He made your heart that way on purpose. Your depth, your complexity, your emotional world. It's not a flaw. It's part of His design. So stop shrinking who you are just to be understood by those who were never meant to understand you. People only see the surface of the ocean, but Allah sees the trenches at the bottom. The parts you've never even shown anyone. He knows it all, and He still loves you. You don't need to explain yourself fully to Him. Just say, Ya Allah, you know, that's enough. The perfect dua when you feel misunderstood. The Prophet Musa alayhi salam, when facing a terrifying task, made this dua: Rabbi ishrah li sadri, wa yassir li amri, wahlul uqdatan min lisani, yafqahu qawli. My Lord, expand for me my chest, ease for me my task, and untie the knot from my tongue so that they may understand my speech. Ask Allah not just to help people understand you, but to give you peace even when they don't. You were never meant to be understood by everyone. You were only meant to be understood by the one who created you. And in His eyes, you are already seen, heard, and known. So when no one else gets you, turn to Allah, because He gets you completely. Share this with someone who feels invisible right now. Let them know this Quran verse will find you when no one understands you.